These are the parking elevators at the Wells Fargo Tower in Tampa, Florida. Let's go up to 8. The buttons feel different. I can't quite explain it. It's like they're lubricated. Indicators a little glitched, but you can still tell what it's saying. So here we are at floor 8, which I think is the roof of the garage. I guess because it's like a double helix, so if I recall correctly. So this is 8B, and that's 8A, and this is 8C possibly. Don't know what that is, but the stairs up here labeled it as 9. I don't know what it is about the parking garages in Tampa having elevators that serve all but the top floor and expecting the people on the top floor to walk down a ramp to get to the elevators. It's really weird, but let's go back down the lobby. You can see it says Otis right down there. You've got an emergency phone. O Series 2 fixtures. There's your certificate. These are pretty quick, actually. We're gonna ride the other one. Let's go to 8. Yeah, again, that button feels nice to press. And let's end the video down at the lobby. Again, same emergency phone as the other elevator, as you would expect. There's your inspection certificate. I think these are Elevonic 411M, but don't know for sure. And that's just an automatic door that goes to the loading dock. That'll be it.